In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Blender. First, open your internet browser. In the search bar, type Blender and press Enter. Look for the official website, it should be blender.org, and click on it. Once you're on the site, head to the top menu and click Download. Here, you'll see the latest version of Blender available. Right now it's showing version 4.4.1, but the version might be newer when you visit. Click on the Download Blender button. If you'd like, you can also make a donation to support Blender. But it's completely optional. The download will begin automatically. When the file has finished downloading, open your File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder, find the Blender installer file and double-click to open it. Now the Blender setup window will open. Click Next to start the process. Read through the license agreement, check the box to accept it, and then click Next again. Choose where you want Blender installed, or leave it at the default location. Click Next and then click Install. Installation might take a few minutes, so just be patient. Once the setup is finished, click Finish. You'll now see a Blender icon on your desktop or in your applications list. Double-click to open it. When you launch Blender for the first time, you can customize your settings and start working on your 3D projects right away.